In the eastern part of China, there is a city that represents the future. A city filled with towering skyscrapers, busy streets, and millions of dreams moving every single day. This city is Shanghai. With more than 24 million people, Shanghai is not only the most populous city in China, but also one of the most powerful economic centers in the world. But the story of this incredible city did not begin with skyscrapers. It began with something much simpler, a small fishing village. Around 200 years ago, Shanghai was a quiet coastal town located near the mouth of the Yangtze River. Life was simple. Most people were fishermen, farmers, or small traders. But everything changed in 1842. After the First Opium War, China was forced to open several ports to international trade. One of those ports was Shanghai. Suddenly, traders from Britain, France, and other countries began arriving. Foreign businesses opened banks, trading houses, and factories. Within just a few decades, the small fishing village transformed into one of Asia's busiest trading ports. By the early 20th century, Shanghai had become known as the Paris of the East. It was famous for its nightlife, architecture, and international culture. But history was not always kind to the city. During the Second Sino-Japanese War, the city suffered great destruction and hardship. Later, after the founding of modern China in 1949, Shanghai slowly began rebuilding itself. And in the late 20th century, a new chapter began. Today, Shanghai is considered the financial heart of China. It is home to the famous Shanghai Stock Exchange, one of the largest stock markets in the world. Every day, billions of dollars move through the city's financial institutions. But finance is not the only reason for Shanghai's economic power. The city is also a global center for technology, manufacturing, shipping, and trade. Its port, the Port of Shanghai, is the busiest container port on Earth. Thousands of ships arrive here every year, carrying goods to and from every corner of the planet. Because of this global connection, Shanghai plays a critical role in the world economy. Many international companies have their headquarters here, and millions of professionals come to the city to build their careers. One of the most famous symbols of Shanghai is its breathtaking skyline. In the district of Pudong, futuristic skyscrapers dominate the horizon. Among them stands the iconic Shanghai Tower, the tallest building in China and one of the tallest in the world. Nearby are other architectural wonders such as the Oriental Pearl Tower and the Shanghai World Financial Center. At night, the skyline lights up in brilliant colors, creating one of the most spectacular city views on the planet. For many people, this skyline represents the rapid growth and ambition of modern China. What really sets Shanghai apart is its vibrant culture. This city is an intriguing mix of traditional Chinese roots and modern global influences. You can find ancient temples and historic lanes, right? Next to swanky shopping centers and cutting-edge architecture. A prime example of this unique blend is the Bund. This iconic waterfront area showcases colonial buildings from the early 20th century, while just across the river, the towering skyscrapers of Pudong reach for the sky. This striking contrast embodies the essence of Shanghai, a place where history and future coexist. Shanghai is also renowned for its diverse food scene, fashion, art, and thriving film industry, earning its status as one of Asia's cultural hotspots. To move millions of people every day, a robust transportation system is crucial. Shanghai boasts one of the most sophisticated transport networks in the world. The Shanghai Metro is one of the largest metro systems globally, linking nearly every corner of the city. Plus, the Shanghai Maglev train, the fastest commercial train on the planet, can hit speeds over 430 kilometers per hour. Thanks to these advancements, countless commuters can get around swiftly and efficiently every day. Shanghai shows no signs of slowing down. The city is heavily investing in technology, sustainable energy, and smart infrastructure. New neighborhoods are emerging, skyscrapers are going up, and fresh ideas are redefining urban life. Many experts think Shanghai will be pivotal in shaping the global economy throughout the 21st century. From its origins as a small fishing village to becoming one of the most influential cities worldwide, Shanghai's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a hub of history, innovation, and relentless ambition, a place where countless dreams come to life. daily and a city that offers a glimpse into what the future may hold. Every street in Shanghai narrates a tale of change and aspiration. Strolling along the Bund, you can sense the whispers of history. On the other side of the river, Pudong's gleaming skyline symbolizes modern China's might. The city buzzes with energy, creativity, and opportunities, with millions of people navigating the extensive Shanghai metro day and night. Shanghai continues to draw in international companies and talent from around the globe. Massive financial hubs and tech giants are paving the way for the city's economic future. Meanwhile, Shanghai is committed to preserving its historic areas and traditions. Festivals, markets, and cultural events keep the essence of old Shanghai alive. This balance between heritage and modernity shapes the city's character. For many, Shanghai embodies the future of global cities, a dynamic space where culture, technology, and ambition converge. And as the world keeps changing, Shanghai will adapt and grow right alongside it, ensuring that the narrative of progress remains ongoing.